If you're planning to renovate or rehabilitate a property, it's crucial to explore all possible funding options. Fortunately, the Federal Historic Preservation Tax Incentive Program can provide assistance in financing your complex rehabilitation project. In this video, we'll explain how the program works and how you can benefit from federal historic tax credits. My name is Nick Lindsley, and I'm an architect at Newman Munson. We work closely with developers who have utilized historic tax credits. Through our experience, we've gained a solid understanding of the program's requirements and the application process. In order to help you determine if tax credits are suitable for your project, we've put together an overview of the program. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what historic tax credits are and whether they align with your project and goals. Back in 1976, the Federal Historic Preservation Tax Incentive Program was established to encourage private investment in neglected properties. Over the years, tax credits have proven to be an effective incentive for redevelopment. For every dollar the federal government invests in tax credits, it generates $15 in private investment. It's important to note that tax credits differ from tax deductions. While tax deductions lower the amount of income subject to a taxation, a tax credit directly reduces the amount of tax you owe. For example, a $1,000 tax credit would lower your tax bill by $1,000. Throughout the design, application, and construction process, you'll work closely with 3 government agencies. The program is administered through the National Park Service and the IRS, in partnership with your local state historic preservation office, or SHPO for short. The NPS reviews applications and certifies historic structures, while the IRS oversees the financial side of the program and administers the credits. As building owners and architects, SHPO is your primary point of contact. They provide application forms, maintain records of historic buildings and districts, and make certification recommendations to the National Park Service. Before and after construction, architects submit drawings, plans, and specifications to SHPO, who then reviews them and sends them to the National Park Service for approval. The program offers a 20% tax credit, meaning you will receive a tax credit equal to 20% of your renovation expenses. According to the National Park Service, only expenses directly related to the renovation of the building count towards the 20% credit. These include architectural and engineering fees, site survey fees, legal expenses, development fees, construction-related costs, plumbing, electrical, heating, and cooling costs. However, there are certain expenditures that don't count towards the 20% credit, such as furniture, maintenance costs, and non-historic elements. To be eligible for the 20% tax credits, the building must be a certified historic structure. This means it should be listed on the National Register of Historic Places or be considered a contributing resource in a registered historic district. Contributing resources are buildings that add to the historic or architectural significance of a district. Depending on the district, the National Park Service may specify a period of historic significance, and buildings outside that period may be deemed non-contributing. If you're unsure whether your building qualifies, you'll need to consult a historian or architect who can research the building and the district it's located in. In some cases, you may need to apply with the National Park Service to have your building placed on the National Historic Register in order to receive the tax credit. Federal historic tax credits are a great way to secure funding for those challenging rehabilitation projects that aim to preserve the historic charm of our communities. Keep in mind the program has some strict requirements and not every project will qualify. However, an experienced architect can help be your guide, helping you navigate through the requirements and the application process. For more detailed information, click on the link in the description and take a look at our guide on historic tax credit process. Thanks for watching.